Presiden ke HSPDP ba KP Pangniang loong ba kamlong ke badai ban syuk Kynnoh Ïano Khlem ki Sakhi ki satar ki Biang haba jubab halo ke jingkli ke ke jing sngiau jong halo ke jing syak Kynnoh ki menteri sarkar ba ki dan keti benta hakikam drop be ain bat deu yong be ain uba Pangniang loong ba ke parti ke sngiau kia halor kene ha ke ju ke po loong ba ke don kam ya ke sarkar bakan sim ya ke singjam kabading ban yakun persya ya ke jingkin reu drok ha ke jela la ban kedeu ba presiden ka MPCC ba Vincent H Pala dang shen la Kynnoh ba ki bru ki badon ha ke sarkar ba menta kila dan keti hakikam drok ba deu yong be ain ia kene ke Kynnoh ba pala la nang pendei melu syu sya unong yalam liang persya Dr Mukul Sangma uba la bertem ba unto sya menteri rang ba du keri halor kene.
See, regarding this, it is too early for me to comment because as the party we need to go in, at length, deeply to get proper information. Without proper evidence, concrete evidence, we cannot allege as we have mentioned. So the party will think nicely, thoroughly, then we will take it over.
But it's a concern for the party.
But we are concerned that the drug should not be in that manner. Always should be, stringent action should be taken and should not be in such a way that this case of drugs should be in that manner. We want to take strict action, and law and order should be take strict action, and necessary action should be taken against those people involved in this matter.